Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. Today we're going to do something that's actually instantly rewarding and makes your map basically come alive. We're going to take our data, which might be floating in a blank white space, and give it a real world background by adding a base map. It's one of the easiest and most important thing you can learn to do in ArcGIS Pro. So let's get right to it. So in my project, I have a layer showing the countries in Africa, and as you can see, it's floating in space. It's hard to tell where it is, so let's fix that. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you are on the map tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen, and once you're there at the layer panel, layer, you have base map here. Just click the drop down, and it brings out a list of base maps. Based on the analysis you may be doing, you select the one that best fits the project you're doing, and instantly our map updates to a clean strip map, which makes it feel more better, more realistic. If I want to, I could change this so it actually tells me more than just what I have. So that's how simple it is to add and change base map in ArcGIS Pro. So if I'm interested in changing as well, I could do this. Yeah. So it's a fundamental step in cartography that immediately elevates the quality and the readability of your work. So a question for the video: what's your favorite, or would I say most used base map in your project? Please do let us know in the comment below. Would love to hear what you prefer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to GeoKloud Academy for more quick and easy GIS tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy mapping.